How often to work out? The frequency of your workouts depends on your fitness goals, current fitness level, and overall health. Regular exercise is essential for maintaining good health, improving cardiovascular fitness, building strength, and enhancing mental well-being. This video drills into how often you should work out each week based on various goals and considerations. For overall health and fitness. Frequency. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity aerobic activity or 75 minutes of vigorous intensity aerobic activity per week, along with muscle strengthening activities on 2 or more days per week. Aerobic activity, 30 minutes of brisk walking, cycling, or swimming 5 days a week. Strength training, 2 days of weightlifting, bodyweight exercises or resistance band exercises. Do not underestimate the value of incorporating yoga into your routine. It is extremely beneficial on many levels, and it is not as easy as it looks. For weight loss, increase to 300 minutes of moderate intensity aerobic activity or 150 minutes of vigorous intensity aerobic activity per week, along with muscle strengthening activities on 2 or more days per week. Aerobic activity, 60 minutes of moderate intensity exercise, like walking or cycling 5 days a week. Strength training, 2 to 3 days of weightlifting or bodyweight exercises. For muscle building. Frequency. Focus on strength training exercises 3 to 5 times a week, allowing rest days for muscle recovery. Strength training. Split routine, e.g. chest and triceps one day, back and biceps another day, legs and shoulders another day. Aerobic activity incorporate light cardio sessions, like walking or light jogging on non-strength training days. Specific workout plans. Beginners. Frequency. Start with 3 days a week of moderate intensity aerobic exercise and 2 days of strength training. Example routine. Day 1, 30 minutes of brisk walking. Day 2, strength training focusing on all major muscle groups. Day 3, 30 minutes of cycling or swimming. Day 4, rest or light activity like stretching or yoga. Day 5, strength training focusing on all major muscle groups. Day 6, 30 minutes of jogging or aerobics class. Day 7, rest. Intermediate. Frequency, 4 to 5 days a week, mixing moderate to vigorous aerobic exercises with strength training. Example routine. Day 1, 45 minutes of running or high-intensity interval training, HIIT. Day 2, strength training, upper body. Day 3, 30 minutes of swimming or cycling. Day 4, strength training, lower body. Day 5, 45 minutes of brisk walking or dancing. Day 6, strength training, full body. Day 7, rest or light activity like stretching or yoga. Advanced. Frequency, 5 to 6 days a week, combining intense aerobic exercises with advanced strength training routines. Example routine. Day 1, 60 minutes of running or height. Day 2, strength training, chest, shoulders, triceps. Day 3, 45 minutes of cycling or swimming. Day 4, strength training, back biceps. Day 5, 60 minutes of aerobics or group fitness class. Day 6, strength training, legs, core. Day 7, rest or active recovery like yoga or light walking. Special considerations. Recovery. Importance: adequate rest and recovery are crucial to prevent injury and allow muscles to repair and grow. Rest days. Include at least 1 full rest day per week and avoid working the same muscle groups on consecutive days. Listen to your body. Signs of overtraining. Fatigue, decreased performance, persistent muscle soreness, and increased risk of injury. Adjust intensity. Modify your workout intensity and duration based on how your body feels and responds. Flexibility and balance. Incorporate stretching. Regular stretching or yoga can improve flexibility, reduce muscle tension, and prevent injuries. Balance training. Exercises that improve balance, such as Tai Chi or balance drills, can enhance stability and coordination. Tips for sticking to your workout routine. Set realistic goals. Define clear, achievable fitness goals to stay motivated and track progress. Create a schedule. Plan your workouts in advance and stick to a consistent schedule. Mix it up. Vary your exercises to keep workouts interesting and prevent boredom. Find a workout buddy. Exercising with a friend can increase motivation and accountability. Track progress. Keep a workout journal or use a fitness app to monitor your progress and make necessary adjustments. Reward yourself. Set milestones and reward yourself for reaching them to stay motivated. The ideal workout frequency depends on individual goals, fitness levels, and overall health. For general health, aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate aerobic activity and muscle strengthening exercises on 2 days per week. For weight loss or muscle building, increase the frequency and intensity of your workouts. Always listen to your body, allow for adequate rest and recovery, and consult with a healthcare provider or fitness professional if you have any specific health concerns or conditions. By following a balanced and consistent workout routine, you can achieve and maintain optimal health and fitness. If you received value from this video, please like, subscribe, and comment.